Hi guys, for this video I'm gonna show you how to like Reels on Instagram app. So first open your Instagram app, and as you can see here, the home page. Then we'll try to like some photos or videos here. And to see the like photos or like Reels on Instagram, open this profile icon right here at the bottom right. Then tap the three lines at the top right corner. And you can see the option goes up. And tap this activity option. So you can see now these options. Try to tap these interactions and tap this like option. So you can see here all the likes reels on your Instagram. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial.